Welcome friends to a new session on molecular biology. In this session, we will discuss operon concept based on tryptophan operons, regulation of gene expression, operon circuits in bacteria and other prokaryotes, part 2. In 1953, Jacques Monod, who was awarded a Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1965 and who shared it with Francois Jacob along with their colleagues, discovered the tryptophan operon in E. coli as the first repressible operon. This is another negative regulatory operon. The tryptophan operon is an operon consisting of a group of genes that are transcribed together, and in the cell it coordinates the biosynthesis of tryptophan from corysmic acid, the initial precursor. The operon is approximately 6756 base pair in size. Though the tryptophan operon is present in many bacteria, it was first characterized in E. coli. As with all operons, the tryptophan operon consists of the promoter, operator, repressor and the structural genes. Transcription begins at the promoter site on the left of the structural genes. Tryptophan E, tryptophan D, tryptophan C, tryptophan B and tryptophan A are the 5 structural genes involved in the synthesis of tryptophan, which also forms an operon with an operator. These 5 serially arranged genes code for 3 enzymes needed for tryptophan synthesis. Let us see about the control circuit for the tryptophan operon. The operation of tryptophan operon is an unusual mechanism in existence. This is not just restricted to tryptophan operon, but in the operation of many operons such as phenylalanine, valine, histidine, threonine, leucine, isoleucine and others. All operons have attenuator mechanism in their gene regulation activities. The 5 structural genes controlled by one promoter operator. It also has a regulator gene not in the same operon, but elsewhere. In tryptophan operon, unlike the lac operon, the gene for the repressor is not adjacent to the promoter, but rather is located in another part of the E. coli genome. Another difference is that the operator resides entirely within the promoter. The control circuit of tryptophan operon consists of a regulatory region and 5 structural genes TRPE, TRPD, TRPC, TRPB and TRPA. The gene TRPE codes for the enzyme anthranilate synthetase subunit 1. Gene TRPD codes for anthranilate synthetase subunit 2. Gene TRPC codes for glycerol phosphate synthetase. Gene TRPB codes for tryptophan synthetase subunit 1 and gene TRPA for tryptophan synthetase subunit 2.